Nazia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Who are new followers to my channel, thank you so much for following it, and who are already following, I love you so much and thank you for all your love and support. So these days, little bit, I'm getting a comment who asking about the links and everything. Okay, I'm going a little step forward. So thank you so much for all your comments and DMing me also. Most of the comments then I'm getting a DMs in Instagram. So anyway, anywhere it is in YouTube or Instagram, I'm fine with that. So you know what is going on today? Huge sale, Meesho, huge 80% sale is going on. Whatever in your wish list, please go and buy it. Seriously. And these days, Meesho's work service, like regarding their app, regarding the products and everything, is going better and better. So I can trust and you can trust further because I'm trusting it and I'm purchasing it and I'm giving a review. It is not a paid collaboration or anything, so it's own purchase from my money, okay, pocket. It's been emptying everything. So okay, before going into the vlog, don't forget to subscribe my channel and do follow my Instagram page. प्लीज़ फॉलो कर लो ना यार, क्या कर रहे हो? फॉलो करो थोड़ा, मेरे को भी कमाने का मौका दो. आई नो आई एम डूइंग फॉर इट माई हॉबी एंड पैशन, बट स्टिल कभी ना कभी कहीं ना कहीं तो स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा ना कमाने के लिए. और कुछ और लाइक मोर एंड मोर आई कैन बाय एंड मोर आई कैन गिव यू रिव्यूज ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट. सो गोइंग इनटू द ब्लॉग, I will tell you something. Do you want to listen? Have you seen any, noticed anything? I bought the mic. I don't know how it will work. If you really want to know which mic I'm using it, you can comment me in the comment box where I can tell which brand it is and what is the price. I'm not sure how much justifying my vlog right now, but still I'm happy with that. Whatever the price, I have got it. So if you comment me, I'll definitely post a small reel, and as well as I'll tell you the price. So let's go. See, did you see these many? I don't know when I will finish all these wearings, and I don't understand what is going on these days. I'm buying a huge clothes. I don't want to waste money, but still I can't stop myself because it's not that much high price. Like it's in between 300 to 500. So it's okay. We can wear it because in future, if I'm going to do more and more vlogs, I can varietyly pair up and everything. So I'll do a vlog today स्टैंडिंग ओनली, लाइक एकदम खड़के करूंगी व्लॉग. मेरे को बैठ के काम करने का ना बड़ा सर में दर्द हो गया लिटरली. आई एम गेटिंग अ हेडेक टू सिट एंड डू ए व्लॉग्स. सो टुडे आई रियली वांट टू मूव हियर एंड देयर एंड देन आई वांट टू डू ए व्लॉग. So before going into the vlog, I'll tell you one more small thing is that I did a shopping in Myntra also, like 1-2 pairs that I'll show in the last of the vlog. So you can check it out there, what are the products. So before that, the top I am wearing right now, it's a black stripes top. Did you see it? It's a sleeveless threads. I am really these days obsessed with this type of dresses. I don't know why. It's so beautiful, so comfy. It's a cotton, mixed cotton, and you can wear in summer also. You can wear any time. So I paired up like this, wearing a small petticoat inside simply, like spaghetti or something. Yeah. So this top I got it around for 240 rupees, so it's a price worthy. And as because it's sales going on, I got it for 240. Actual price is around 300 or 350, I think. So it's really good. So the second product is another black one, is this top. It's all waistcoats actually. This is a waistcoat, sleeveless. I really need in the black because if I want to wear any formal shirt or any full hand sleeve in the winter, I can wear, and I can wear this. So with a black jeans or white jeans. So this is really good, and I got this for around 250 or something. So I'm not sure when I'm uploading this vlog what will be the price range. I think the price range will get changed around for 10 to 15 rupees. I'm not sure, but definitely you can comment me so that I can send the link. So this is the one. Second one is, I think it's the third top, right? Yeah, third top. So the third top is this one. I'll put a picture here how it is when the model is wearing it, or normally it's showing in the hanger. So this is the stripes blue. I love stripes. I love stripes type of shirts or t-shirts or waistcoats or tube tops. I love it. So This is the one. I think it is a extra small size, but still it is loose for me. I don't know why. I don't have any other size to get it. That is the starting size, extra small and small. If I have order small, it will be a very big size, I think so. I have to do alter this, and this one I got it for around 350 or something. So worth it, and the cloth is so good. Now I got it for, I'll post a picture here. I was looking that one in the same pattern without the sleeves. I was looking in the Savannah, but it was too cost, like 900 or something. So similarly with the hands, full hands, I got it this. You see here, there is a, so this is the full hands top. This is the combination, and I got this top around for 250 rupees, and it's really good cloth, very nice cloth. So you can go and purchase it. This is the top, I got it. It's a normal, you can wear for a normal jeans or printed jeans or any type of fashionable jeans. If you need a full hands plain top, this is the one. I got it, and I got it in white and black, two sizes, with the extra small size. But still I don't know why, because I think because of stretchable, I think it is too loose, but it's okay, I'm fine with it. So this is the two tops I got it, and this two one top is 190 rupees. I was shocked, and I was literally want to grab it because I can pair up with anything. That's the reason I got it. So I got these two, 190, 190. So I got skirt. I do have already a white skirt, which is I got from Meesho in the price of 250, 280 rupees. That was very long back, like 2 3 months ago. Now I want to get it a black skirt. You should have a black skirt and white skirt where you can pair up or fashionize. You can do a varieties of fashion on the skirts also. So this is the skirt, I got it. It's so nice, the cloth is good, but it is little transparent, so you have to wear inside some legging or something so that it won't show up so much. This is I got for 250 rupees, and the white one I got it for 280 rupees. So there is a black and white, both of them. I can put a picture here so you can see it. So this is I got for 250, and it is so nice and so comfy, and it is, I can pair up with a crop top or any other top, peplum top, anything. Like, your fashion sense is a great thing, you have to pair up. So it's not that someone is doing like this, might be it doesn't work out on me. Do experiment. I also was thinking previously like that only, might be ये मेरे को सूट नहीं करेगा शायद, इसमें मैं थोड़ा ऑड लगूंगी, या इसमें मेरा बॉडी नहीं है, शायद मैं इतना अच्छी नहीं दिखूंगी. नो, ऐसा कभी मत सोचना. लाइक फैशन इज, आज द फैशन विच आई एम वेयरिंग राइट नाउ, इट माइट नॉट सूट टू यू. द फैशन विच यू आर वेयरिंग, इट माइट नॉट सूट टू मी. इट डजंट मीन नॉट यू आर नॉट अ फैशनेबल पर्सन or I'm not a fashionable person. Everybody has their own taste, own way of adopting the style. Like some people like being a loose tops, loose pants. Some people like to wear very tight or any other, showing cleavage or everything. So I don't like to show the cleavage. I don't know why, but someday I'll try to push myself to do that also, like being little sexy and everything. So when I feel comfort, that day I'll start wearing those type of clothes. Be always ready for the shoots, wherever I want to wear whatever I want to wear, because sometimes in the shoots we can't deny it. It's your job, it's your profession. So I already got one more in the Meesho. It's not a clothes. The product is, um, I was looking in the Mac, I think, from very long time to put my makeup brushes, because I don't want to put in the pouch also. Somewhere I feel like it's not, for me, it's not comfortable to put in the pouches. So this type of pouch I was seen in Sephora and in the Mac somewhere. It was so expensive, 3000 or 4000, I think. Yeah, 3000 change. So a similar one, I got it from Meesho, and the quality exactly top notch. Like same, exactly same, ditto print. So I'm so happy, and this one I got for around 380 rupees, and I was shocked when I saw the price, and I was little scared to order it because I'm not sure it will come very good quality or not. But definitely I will tell you without any hesitation, if you are a makeup person and you are having a lot of brushes, and even though if you are traveling, you can use for traveling, this is the budget friendly, budget approval product. And you will get these two here so that you can. So whenever you're traveling, you can keep like this and start picking up and do your makeup with your makeup brushes. But once you are finished, just close it up. It won't damage your brush, it won't get dusted, it will be hygienic, and it is safe, and it is easy to put it in your bag, and it is compatible. So I really love this. And if I really have opportunity, like, I think it's out of stock or it is still available, I'm not sure. If it is in the stock, I'll buy one more one, because one, I want to keep it in home in my makeup vanity, and the other one, I want to keep it for traveling. I don't want to remove all these things and put it in a traveling one, so I want to keep it little extra, one more extra piece. So that's why. So this is around in below 400 rupees. I will tell you, go purchase it, keep it safely your all makeup brushes. And don't forget to clean your brushes weekly once. It will be really healthy and hygienic. In the last, I was telling you that I'll tell you what I bought from the Mintra. So in Mintra, I got two more waistcoats like this only, but it's little different, like a ekdam chatak, ekdam flowery type, because I really liked it. And when I ordered and it came to my home, the quality was top notch, literally top notch. And I'm very happy. It's a budget friendly. I got it around in between 400 to 500 range. So let me show that to you. These are the two tops I got it. One is in yellow and blue combination, and the other one is this flower one. So this is the size I got it extra small, and this is the size I got it small. So because I got it extra small, but it was too tight, so I replaced it and I got it for small. Because of that reason, I was waiting to do it a vlog, but in this vlog I really want to tell this. These two tops I got it, and I want to pair up this with a skirt, pleated skirt. I'll show the picture in the Pinterest where I found it, so that you will get an idea how I want to pair up this. So these are the two tops I got for 500. And even though in the Mintra it's going offer, so you should go and check it. That's all today. So thank you so much for staying until last of my vlog, and watching it, and supporting it. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please do comment me if you need any of this link of the Meesho products or Mintra products. And please do subscribe my channel and do follow my Instagram page. So until the next week, this is Nazia signing off. And please don't forget to hydrate yourself, drink lot of water. Right now I'm drinking coconut water.